The state of Ohio's ban on same-sex marriages will be in front of the country's highest court later this morning. Nick Foley joins us live from Cleveland this morning with more on this very controversial issue. Good morning, Nick.
Morning, Kristen. Ohio voters passed a ban on same-sex marriages back in 2004, but a lot has happened in those 11 years since that vote. In fact, many countrywide polls appear to show that that stance is actually the minority view. The question will be, will the U.S. Supreme Court agree with that stance as well? Extended arguments are expected to begin later this morning on several cases, including one from right here in Ohio. The arguments will be whether states have the right to ban same-sex marriages and unions, and the other is whether states must recognize same-sex marriages performed elsewhere. Those are expected to run for about 2 hours and 30 minutes instead of the customary 1 hour. A decision is expected by the Supreme Court in late June. Now, there are currently 30 states that allow same-sex marriages or unions. Now, an interesting note on that is that those states who allow those same-sex unions and marriages don't necessarily allow those because of voters who voted those measures on banners, but more because actually federal rulings required them to do so. Those arguments expected to begin this morning at 10:30. Reporting here in downtown Cleveland, Nick Foley for News Channel 5. Back to you.
Thanks so much, Nick. We will be watching that very closely.